are God on the mountain, God in the valley. You are God over everything. You are God. So I need to worship all by me, my own. So I need to worship all God. So I need to worship all by me, my own. So I need to worship. This is a lovely song Billy Lee's by. Yeah. This is lovely song Billy Lee's, full of energy, full of power, full of grace, full of anointing. Most importantly, this song is power pack. What I mean by power pack is indeed a power pack. You are God of everything. Obamimo. You are the same God yesterday, today, and forever. Seriously, Minister Segun John and Minister Dunsin Oyekan, you guys really settle down to bring out this song, because this song is full of more as a special anointing. And I'm still going to play the song again. Guys, listen now. This part I love it so much. Listen to this part. The next one is fire. Sing God, sing God, in the fire. Now sing God on the mountain. Sing God on the mountain. Sing God in the valley. Sing God in the valley. Only with the express of the water. Sing God in the water. Sing God on the mountain. Sing God in the valley. Same God in the water, same God in the valley, same God on the mountain, same God, same God, same God. That is why the Bible says is the same God yesterday, today, and forever. He have never changed. That's why we call it same God in the valley. Da, 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 da. Same God on the mountain. Same God in the valley, 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 valley. Same God on the mountain. Let me sing it the way he sing the song. The song just give me joy. Since last night, I've been listening to this song repeatedly. Listen to it again. Same God on the mountain. Da, 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 da. Same God on the water. The same God on the water. The same God on the mountain. The same God on the fire. The same God on the valley. Hear it again now. Oh. In the fire, send God on the mountain, send God on the mountain, send God in the valley, send God in the valley. One more time, send God in the water, send God in the fire, send God in the fire. Same God on the mountain, same God on the mountain, same God in the valley. Kai! There is one part that is so sweet and so miraculous that can give you, this part can change your destiny instantly. This part you're about to listen to can change your destiny instantly. Can make your destiny helpers locate you instantly, because it's the same God in the water, the same God in the mountain, it's the same God in the valley. Anywhere you go, You turn left, right, front, back. It's the same God. He have never changed. So what are you telling me? He have never changed. Hear this sweet part. Oh. This part, they give me joy. This part, listen to it. You are God in the morning. You are God above everything. You are God. You are God in the mountain. You are God in the valley. You are God above everything. You are God. So holy, to worship. So I need to worship. So I need to worship. Over me, Lord. So I need to worship. If you have not heard this song, if you are here to download this song, do you know what you're going to do? Run! Papa, papa, papa. The title is Same God by Segun John feat. Dunsin Oyekan. If you are here to hear it, run. When I mean run, papa, papa, run. Allow your leg to touch your head. Run to internet now. Rush to internet and download this one immediately. Because it's the same God in the valley. The same God yesterday, today. He has never changed. It's the same. You have listened to this song. But there's one sweet part I would like you to listen to. Wait for me. Sorry to worship. Oh, go, go. Sorry to worship. Oh, Bamimo. Sorry to worship. Oh, go. Sorry to worship. Oh, Bamimo. Sorry to worship. Oh, go. Yeah. If it is the first time you are just coming in contact with PhilAmen TV, love you so much, and I'm here to give it to you as the thing they come out now. So I go they bomba you guys with it. So do well, go and listen to this song, download it, because it's full of fire. Listen to it. God bless you guys. See you guys in our next edition on Wednesday 6 p.m. and on Sunday 6 p.m. Every blessed Wednesday and Sunday we are dropping it. God bless you guys.